A big breaking news coming from the United States, where Vivek Ramaswamy, a biotech entrepreneur and former Republican presidential candidate tapped by US President-elect Donald Trump, launches bid to be the governor of Ohio. This is the latest string of Indian origin leaders taking the forefront in the US politics, the latest being Vivek Ramaswamy, a biotech entrepreneur and former Republican presidential candidate who has been tapped by US President-elect Donald Trump and launched the bid to be the next governor of Ohio State. In fact, Vivek Ramaswamy will likely run for the Ohio governor's position. He, do note, is a biotech entrepreneur and former Republican presidential-elect candidate that was supported by Donald Trump. In a string of the high-profile Indian origin leaders taking a major stake in U.S. politics, the latest entrant seems to be possibly Vivek Ramaswamy. He's launched the bid to be the next governor of Ohio. He is a biotech entrepreneur and former Republican presidential candidate who's been tapped by U.S. President-elect Donald Trump, who is all set to take his second term on Monday. The big breaking news coming from the United States, where Indian origin Vivek Ramaswamy is likely to run for the Ohio State's governor position. Do note that Vivek Ramaswamy is a biotech entrepreneur and former Republican presidential candidate who has now been supported by the President-elect Donald Trump. Years after claims and counterclaims being thrown about between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections, and do note that the BJP has brought out the first half of its party manifesto. Now take a look at a special report with all the details.
It is a race for freebies between the AAP, BJP and the Congress going into February 5th Delhi Assembly polls. Releasing the first part of its Sankalp Patra or manifesto for the Delhi polls today, the BJP made it clear that it was in no mood to fall behind in the race for freebies. After the ruling Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress, the BJP too unlocked a poll bonanza for the people ahead of the Delhi elections.
दिल्ली की महिलाओं को 2500 रुपए प्रति माह देने का संकल्प भारतीय जनता पार्टी लेती है। उसी तरीके से जो गरीब परिवार हैं उनको 500 रुपए का सिलेंडर पर सब्सिडी दी जाएगी। 6 न्यूट्रिशनल किट्स दिया जाएगा और साथ में 21,000 रुपए प्रति प्रेग्नेंट मदर को चीफ मिनिस्टर के मातृत्व सुरक्षा योजना के तहत वह भी दिया जाएगा।
Going toe-to-toe with the AAP and the Congress, which offloaded poll goodies including handouts for women, priests, free electricity and subsidized cooking gas, the BJP countered with a laundry list of its own. From rupees 2,500 for women under the Mahila Samman Nidhi, cooking gas cylinders at rupees 500 each to Ayushman Bharat, the BJP put its best foot forward in acing the freebie game. Significantly, the BJP announced that it will not roll back any of the existing welfare schemes in the national capital if elected.
जो दिल्ली में जन कल्याण की योजनाएं चल रही हैं, वह सारी योजनाएं भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार बनने पर जारी रहेंगी।
In his response, Arvind Kejriwal claimed that the BJP's Sankalp Patra was a rehash of the AAP's manifesto, adding that it did not have a word on how the BJP plans to fix the law and order in the capital.
हमारे मैनिफेस्टो के ऊपर वो, हमारी गारंटी के ऊपर वो चुनाव लड़ना चाहते हैं। इससे दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण इससे खोखले विजन वाली पार्टी मैंने कभी आज तक जिंदगी में नहीं देखी, जिनके पास कोई सोच ही नहीं है दिल्ली के लिए, कोई विजन ही नहीं है। कोई नीयत ही नहीं है। उनको लोगों ने कानून व्यवस्था मेंटेन करने की जिम्मेदारी दी हुई है। पूरे संकल्प पत्र में एक लाइन नहीं लिखी हुई कि कानून व्यवस्था दिल्ली में कैसे ठीक करेंगे।
After going blow for blow, charge for charge with the campaign trail, the race for freebies between the top contenders has hit the high gears as the Delhi polls near.